Hi, I'm Guru Rajan, Head Consulting and Training for Algoo Solutions. This is part 2 of our video series Introduction to Algorithms for our course on algorithms. In part 1, we saw what are the different approaches we can have, what are the different design approaches for looking into algorithms, and we also saw what is algorithm analysis. Now, one way of study of algorithms is to look at the different design approaches. There's most often used approaches, just list them and see how they function and then analyze them. Now, for each approach, you can select 4 problems. One could be a classical problem, 1 or 2 could be a classical problem, and the other 3 could be real world problems, 2 or 3 problems, real world problems. So for each approach you can solve them. Now the other approach you can take is more pragmatic. Now you may be working on different domains, right? You may be working on internet and web applications, you may be working on DSP, you may be working on string algorithms, maybe on NLP or information retrieval. So pick up 1 or 2 domains, whatever you are working on, and find what are the algorithms that you are using very often in your day-to-day work. Now take that algorithm, apply this design approach to them, and then analyze it. So this is the other way of looking at algorithms. Find out what algorithms in your domain you are more often using and then look at them. For example, you may be working on intelligent web applications, the semantic web search. You may be working on voice-based web search. So find out what algorithms you are using there. Now if you come to voice-based search, you will be talking about DSP invariably. So in DSP you will have voice and speech compression algorithms. You can have image compression algorithms. So you can, and then FFT algorithm, the most popular one, which can be implemented in hardware or in software. And then you will have, you may be working on networking, so the different network routing algorithms. So the network routing algorithms could be the Dijkstra's shortest path algorithm, or the multipath routing or heuristic routing algorithms. In real-time multimedia, if that's your domain, MP3 or they are very complex MP3 or MP4 algorithms. But still, we would look at the outline of that and what design approach it is taking and try to see what is the speed and what is the space it's going to use. And then you may be working on the big 5, right? Banking and finance. So banking, finance, securities, insurance or retail. So find out what are some of the algorithms that you are using and then see what approach it is taking. Most popular of the ones, the string algorithms, which will be used across domains. We use the brute force if the string is smaller, rather the pattern matching. So we can go for KMP or Boyer-Moore or for Robin-Karp algorithm. And then we can go a little bit deeper and find out what is that O notation for KMP and how does it improve O of mn to a O of m plus n, and what is a failure table in a KMP and so on. So we can analyze it that way. And then the famous RSA algorithm for encryption and decryption, and then the entire set of combinatorial algorithms, right? And then we can look into some of the number theory algorithms and graphics ones, like the convex hull algorithm, so which are very interesting to look at. This is one approach we can take, and this is one approach we will take as much as possible in our trainings. We will not be able to look at the entire domain that you are working, but wherever possible we can take 1 or 2 and see if we can analyze them. Now this is obviously a very small list of the domain. There are so many domains you got. So we will try to pick up one problem from each of the domain based on the group of audience that we have in our ILT or the online training, and then see how we can analyze them. So this is the approach we are going to take in our algorithms training course. So hope you had a nice overview of the approach we are going to take in our training course, and I hope to see you in our online training program or in the ILT, and let's meet there in one of our online training. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take good care of yourself. Thank you.